The purpose of this guide is to demonstrate to you how to correctly cancel a job and change the date. So we've found our project, we've clicked edit, and now we're going to change the status to cancelled. We're not going to touch anything else on the whole project. The reason why we need to ensure we do that is if we change the end date, the script wouldn't know where to go looking in order to delete the cases and the tasks that are not yet completed or started. So you'll see that we've got this pending process banner. It's really imperative that you let this process do its job of removing all of the cases and tasks that we're not wanting. You can continually check the status of this by reloading your page. You can see the blue banner is now gone. And if we check related records, we can check that there's no additional cases and tasks that are not yet complete or in progress. So now we can edit our project. Now if we're wanting to change the next start date to a week later, so if we have a look, the last task that we completed was 22nd of the 10th. 22nd of the 10th, and the tenant would like us to go out a week later than usual. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. So the next service would usually be on the 19th of November. However, we want the next one to be the 26th of November. So in order to do that, we need to take into account the program that has been created so far and go before that date. So on the 24th of September, now we need to count back and just add 1 week from that original start date. Now one thing to note is that we need to ensure the contract start date is on or before the next service start date. Now before we click save, we want to double check that this next start date is exactly what we want. So check the program before you click save. When you click save and mark the project back to in progress, the scripts will create your cases and tasks per this program. So it's really important to double check and get that right. So just to double check, our original task was on the 24th of September. Our following task was 22nd of October. So our next one would have been the 19th, and we want it to be the 26th. So if we double check, the next new program date is the 26th. That's correct. We're going to set the status back to in progress, and that's going to allow all of the cases and the tasks to create. Again, we've got this pending process banner. We need to wait to ensure that that process is complete. That process is creating all of the cases and tasks to form this program. We can reload the page. Reloading the page won't make it work faster. It just means you can check your status. So we're going to go and check our related records and our tasks and just make sure that the next task date is as expected, the 26th of the 11th. And then the program will run based on your project type frequency from there.